This here is a Dongar Technologies Dashcam power adapter, and today I'm going to show you how to install it on your Toyota Corolla Cross. Let go. Let's go ahead and tilt the mirror down for better access. For this installation, we'll need to pop the following plastic panel off. To do this, simply go right in here and pull straight down. The plastic panel is held in place by two tabs and sits on two hinges. Once we have this off, we've got eyes on the connector. This one can be removed by depressing the tab upwards and pulling straight out. No need to rush, be patient. It's also attached to a clip, so feel free to unclip this if that makes it easier for you. Now that we have it off, in comes our Dongar Technologies adapter. I'm going to connect this to the vehicle, and ultimately I'm left with a USB end. This is what our dashcam will be connected to. But before moving any further, let's fire up the car and make sure that the unit is receiving power. Do not move forward if you do not see the blue LED light up. I'm also going to go ahead and connect our dash cam. Since I'm here, there's no harm in making sure that the dash cam powers up as well. With all of these things out of the way, let's find a good spot to attach the USB module to and tidy up the cables. This installation is slightly different compared to the original adapter, as it makes the USB module a lot more accessible being on the outside. However, if accessing your panels is extremely easy, as in the case here, you might even consider tucking the entire harness into the plastic shroud. So, ultimately, to each their own. All we have left to do now is make sure my dashcam is pointing in the right direction and I'm good to go. And just like that, we are left with an awesome looking setup. So if you've been on the fence about installing a dashcam on your vehicle, check out Dongar Technologies today. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button or even consider subscribing for more automotive content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.